Hi there, this video is next week's Inferno, aggressive severe heat wave of 36 Celsius weather forecast, okay, 25. Like this video, put thumbs up the right side of the screen. The date today is the 6th of July, Sunday afternoon guys, 25. The name's Bond, 007, licensed to weather forecast. Here we go guys, it's Bond, James Bond. So, I reckon 36 Celsius more southeast and southern regions next week, in my opinion, with the weather forecast. We'll see what happens, guys. This is my local weather data, so of course, waiting time locally. We're looking at today, guys. I record the morning temperature, that's the red colour, and I record the morning rainfall, that's the blue colour. So this year's June of 2025 has been hotter and wetter compared to last year's June of 2024. If we look at that right this minute, guys, right this minute. There you go, incredible. Look at the difference, 10 minutes less, about 2 or 3 Celsius cooler in the morning. A lot chillier last year's June of 2024 compared to June 2025 this year. June 2025 actually made comparing it to July 2022, it's been pretty close to that, which is interesting, guys. Fascinating. If you look at that right now, here we go. Look at that. You see July, very close morning temperature wise. This is morning temperature, it's not daytime temperature, but it's pretty hot this June, which is interesting. And look at the rainfall for the last 25 years. You can see this year we've only had nearly 200 minutes of rain so far. There's been less rain this year compared to last year. This could be this could be one of the driest years on record if the water's not very wet this year. We could end up like this year, 2010, like that. Depends really, very vary. That's local weather for you, of course, waiting time locally today. This is the upper global sea temperature today, across the world globally. The place you're interested in of the west coast of South America, east and central and west Pacific region, North Pacific Ocean, upper global sea temperature, North Atlantic, upper global sea temperature, of the west coast of Africa, upper global sea temperature today, and the Gulf of Mexico, upper global sea temperature. Let's see what's going on today, guys. Wow, fascinating. Looks like it goes to an enzo neutral situation at the moment across the epicenter. West and east and central region temperature upper global sea temperature. It's very unusually hot across the Mediterranean, which is very bad news, which is making it very hot across Europe at the moment, and across the North Sea and across the English Channel. Very unusually hot waters there. It's a bit cooler in the Gulf of Mexico, but there has been a tropical storm recently hitting the southeast coast of America. The waters are quite hot there at the moment, of the southeast coast of North America, which is fascinating. That's our interest today, guys. And this is the, you name it, the 12 GFS model said. Prediction for the future. Well, you can see it's a lot of hot air lifting up, whopping up towards the UK. It looks like some low pressure coming in towards the end of July. It might get wetter and cooler. Present time, talk about high pressure coming in. There's also high coming from the southwest. It's going to get very hot across the southeast. That's unusual as we go into next week on Wednesday night, July onwards. The 30th of July, get very hot air across the southeast. Obviously, it's going to be very tense hot air, guys. A lot of dry weather across the whole Europe. Looks like a little low pressure in there. Might be thunderstorms over here, but otherwise it's very dry across Europe. You can see that's the future weather as we go and control GFS on today. And this is the upper air temperature of 20 Celsius plus on the 30th of July. Myself, I think of 36 Celsius. That's why I think 36 Celsius is definitely possible for southeast regions. It's coming Sunday, the 30th of July, potentially. But this is just a long range forecast, sort of changes you don't take for granted. Remote control GFS as well. These are upper air temperatures, waiting time locally you're looking at today. Red lines of 30 upper air temperature. Right levels of temperature going rather above it as you get towards the 30th of July. The operation run, the rerun's going well out above it when we get into July. That's out and out layer. I wouldn't take it for granted. These are rainfall spikes down here. There's thundery showers today because waiting time locally. Then it'll calm down for a while through the 13th and 14th of July. Then be more thundery showers. There might be thunderstorms. Potential is waiting time locally. And this is the weather forecast waiting town. The thunderstorms today. Potentially, they're probably more like this. Probably means it could either be thunder and light. Probably more likely to be heavy showers because waiting time locally today, but it will vary. And you can see what's going on there, which is fascinating, guys, in the future. It does look very hot. A very long, prolonged heat wave, unfortunately. A very long heat wave here. You can see here it's going on that way. This is Bude in Cornwall. Not too hot down in Cornwall, but that's where I'm going holiday next week. And this is the weather here in Portsmouth. You can see it's going to be warm down there. A little bit hot. And this is Weymouth. Same idea there. It's going to be a bit hot, a bit warm. It would be better to go to the coast to get away in the hot weather down in London. And you can see the weather there. It's very hot in London City as well. It's going to be a very hot week coming up, guys. And this is what weather's doing now. You've got heavy thunder showers coming across the southeast. There's the regions right this minute. It's live right now. This is the situation. You've got thunderstorms. The white colours are the recent flashes of lightning down here, southeast London. There was some over Windsor Castle earlier. Some are there. And yeah, it's all going on today. And this is the, you name it, hurricane situation. That's the tropical storm. And it's there on the left. 40 miles per hour. Washington DC season for a lot of rain. See what's going to depression toward New York. Please subscribe on Sunday. There's all 85% right about heat spikes and storms across the Atlantic Ocean. Please subscribe on Sunday. Brilliant weather.